The surface trough over central Queensland will move east into eastern Queensland during this afternoon. Moderate to fresh northwesterly winds ahead of the trough will shift fresh to strongly gusty south to southwesterly behind the trough over much of inland Queensland, particularly the Gulf country, the northern goldfields and upper Flinders during this afternoon. Welcome to the latest from Force 13. Now on the screen is the latest instability outlook from 7 a.m. through to tomorrow afternoon. Fire weather warning remains in place for the Greater Hunter, Northern Slopes, Northern Western Fire areas in New South Wales. Strong wind warning, Sydney close waters, the Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden coast. Gale warning has been issued for the central Gippsland and east Gippsland coast down there in Victoria, along with a strong wind warning for Port Phillip Bay, the Western Port Gibson Lakes, West Coast, Central Coast. Now we have a look at storm probabilities. And this is a developing picture. And here in Queensland we have a strong wind warning for the Gold Coast waters. That'll be in place for Sunday. Meteorology Tasmania, gale warning also in place for the southeast, southwest coast. Strong wind warning for the Doran Estuary, the Frederick, Norfolk, Storm Bays, Channel Central Plateau Lakes, Southwest Lakes, the far northwest lakes, Central North Coast, Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, Upper East, Lower East, Central West Coast. Now we have a look at precipitation and note the information at the bottom of the screen. Each of these images are free hourly. It's also a warning to sheep graziers down there in Tasmania. Strong wind warning the lower southeast coast down there in South Australia. 19.5 Sydney, 10.4 Melbourne, 19.6 Brisbane, 12.4 Perth, Adelaide, 11.6, 8.8 Hobart, 15.4 Canberra, 24.6 in Darwin. Their current temperatures. Maximum for Sydney 28, 15 Melbourne, 27 Brisbane, 33 Perth, 17 Adelaide, 14 Hobart, 19 in Canberra, 36 in Darwin. Sunny for Sydney, few showers Melbourne, a shower or two clearing Brisbane. I think that will be changed considering the storm percentages. Perth is sunny, partly cloudy expected. Adelaide, shower to Hobart, becoming windy, mostly sunny in Canberra and mostly sunny in Darwin. Now we have a look at the latest rainfall outlook from the Bureau of Meteorology. And it looks like it's going to be the area south of Fraser Island, west coast of Tasmania. We will continue to bring the latest information and keep an eye on our US and main channels. There's a tropical system developing.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.